So something's missing here. Can you guess what it is? Well, it's a distributor. It's gone. It's gone because it broke and I removed it. And I bought a replacement part. So these are a pair of distributors. Can you tell which one's the new one? So obviously this is the old one, and I don't know if it was remanned or replaced at some point, but it's in pretty bad shape. Believe it or not, the gear still works and it doesn't leak, but the problem is that the weights on the inside have failed, or at least the springs have, and I don't really want to take this thing apart. It's already kind of questionable to begin with. And I mean, look at the distributor. This thing looks awesome. I'm sure that it's remanned. I can't remember if it said that it was remanned, but I'm like positive that it is. I'd be shocked if this was actually brand new. But I mean, it looks great. It's nice and shiny. It's a little bit longer, which might be okay, I guess. I'm not really sure. But it even came with the cap, and I haven't taken it apart yet. The distributor even came with this bag of candies. It's pretty awesome. Alright, so we have the new distributor in. I opted to just go ahead and reuse my old cap and rotor because this one is new and that one was pretty darn new, and I figure it's not a bad idea to have a spare. So let's go ahead and fire it up. And there we go, rover fired right up. So that was the problem for me. The distributor had gone bad. I replaced it with this distributor, it fires right up. So, problem solved. This is the part where we have to time it. We've got to hook this baby up to spark plug number 1, which is right here. I've got the leads hooked up, and I've got the vacuum advance disconnected, so let's go ahead and time this thing. Anything can be said about timing these engines. The way you do it is really inconvenient, but like you have to wedge the timing gun way down here, and there's like belts and stuff, I can get my hand caught, and there you go. It's all timed and ready to rock and roll. So yeah, got the distributor at British Parts Northwest. Came with this nice little pin. And it's actually got this little flashlight. I mean, it makes it kind of easy to do things like lock the distributor up when it's getting dark like this. So yeah, if you ever need any parts, buy it from them.